Alright guys, it's Daniel of VintageMagic.com. This is game one for another deck with Steve in.
Hey guys.
Alright, so this is Ultra JANK. This is a little different. This has power, right?
This has power in it.
We're gonna see how this goes. And so here's my opening. I'm not gonna mulligan anything because I'm just crazy like that. I'm playing the deck, Brian Weissman version. What do you got?
I went down to
take a look what you got.
I went down to 6, and I'm keeping this hand, and it's pretty risky, but with what I have and how the deck functions, I think it should be okay. So I'm gonna be on the play. Plains, Black Vise. Pass turn.
Yeah, 17. So this is guys pre-sideboard. I didn't sideboard the other time, but I might have to for just start Black Vicing my ass. I'm gonna do Lotus, C. Go ahead.
Ivory Tower.
Yep.
Pass turn.
6 cards, 15. Draw. Factory. Go ahead.
4 cards in hand. Pass turn.
Pass turn. All right, 2 life. Nope, 2 life. 13. Draw.
In this format, Black Vise is just
Ancestral Recall.
so brutal. 1 mana, I've done 7 damage so far. It's such a very powerful card.
City. 9 cards. I don't know what you're playing.
Well, I missed 2 land drops. Dose land drops missed.
Yeah, I noticed that. You keep track of your life?
Right now I'm at 20. I have 5 cards in hand.
8 cards. I'm gonna disenchant this.
The Black Vise?
Yep.
Alright.
12, good.
Okay, I gain 1.
Yep.
We might have to switch. This deck gains a lot of life.
That's fine.
6. Pass turn.
Okay, no Black Vise. No land drop. That's not good.
I know. I know.
I'm gonna regrowth my ancestral.
Nice.
Oh, there's regrowth. Sorry.
Alright.
8 cards. I don't know what you're playing, so I'm just going to go throw away swords. Go ahead. Black Vise. Jeez.
I had 6 cards in hand, so I gained 2.
I'm going to sack this for blue.
Okay.
I'll mana drain that one.
Okay.
And I'll ancestral myself.
Okay.
Anything else?
Nope, that should be it. Let's trade life
Yeah, that's
counters.
fine. Yep.
Alright.
I'm at 11.
Alright. 6, 12, 18.
Okay.
Alright.
Draw.
You get 1 mana for the
No,
yeah, you get 1 mana for the Black Vise.
Yep,
with
one
mana
mana,
drain.
yeah. Tundra. Tomb. Go ahead.
Okay. I gain 2 health, brings me up to 25.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
No land. I don't know what this deck's doing, but I don't know about no land. It's like a no land deck.
No land deck, I've got you down to 10 health though.
Yeah. But you need a land to win.
I'll pass turn.
Might get pretty systemic. Underground. Felwer. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
Alright, gain 3 brings up to 28.
Yep. Did you make this deck yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
This is a vintage tournament winning Black Lotus.
What the fuck, guys? This crap. This is. Oh my god.
They issued that to a vintage tournament winner at GP.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was issued.
I was like, I'm gonna find like a napkin or something. Just print it out. All right, go ahead.
All right, and then I'll pass turn.
Pass turn. All right. So, in a turn, I'll tomb. Your turn. I mean, I'll draw. Draw for turn. Factory. Oops, this is not tap too, right? Let's see what we got here. Another Fable Stone?
Okay.
Go ahead.
All right, gain 3 brings it to 31. Ah, fuck. Alright. I'm gonna sack the Lotus for green.
Yep.
Sylvan Library.
Hold on a
Oh,
second.
sorry.
Sylvan Library. I'm gonna go counterspell the Sylvan.
Okay. And Sylvan. 1 remainder. Library of Lane.
Yep, no maximum size, yep.
No maximum hand side. 6. I will pass turn.
Draw on a turn. Untap. Draw again. What's your, how many cards?
6 cards.
Attack for 4.
All swords 1.
Okay. 10.
Take 2 brings it down to 29.
And I put the library. Go ahead.
Okay. 5 cards in hand brings me up to 30.
Yep.
This is rough.
Pearl. Yep.
Ankh. Each time a player puts a land into play, Ankh deals 2 damage to that player.
You have no land. All
That's
right.
fine.
All right, that's fine.
Alright. Pass turn.
All right.
I also have 20 more life than you do.
For now. In a turn, I'll draw a book. Untap.
Okay.
Draw for turn. Demonic Tutor. So like that. Just 7 cards. I'm gonna draw. Okay.
Okay.
How many cards do you have?
I have 4 cards in hand.
Okay, I'm going to disenchant the library or the ivory.
Okay.
Go ahead. Actually, I'm gonna. Yeah, that's fine. Oops, I gotta throw away a card. Sorry. Throw away. Hold on a second. Swords.
I'm disenchant Tome.
Yep.
Pass turn.
Tap.
This is brutal.
Tap draw. 1, 2. Yeah, it's gonna be bad. Jet.
Okay.
Because the Moxes get around it.
Moxes get around it.
Attack.
Okay. 28.
Good.
Pass turn.
Two. Attack.
26.
What? Yeah, I think the Ankh was a little too late.
Pass turn.
You have no lands, that's not a good advantage. The life gain's good, but you just...
I kept with 1 land, and yeah, I'm surprised after how many draws I haven't been able to get another one.
Yeah, attack.
Take 2.
Throw away swords.
Okay.
Good.
Brutal. Second Ankh.
It's really bad. Yeah, but I got a pretty stacked hand right now.
Pass
You
turn.
can show your hand if you want. Yeah. In a turn, I'll draw once. And then I will draw for turn. Emerald. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attack for 2.
22.
I will throw away the Abyss. But
Alright. Let's burn the counterspell. Balance.
balance, I will draw a library, 7 cards.
Okay.
Counter.
Okay. Pass turn.
Okay.
Maybe I forgot to put lands in this deck.
Yeah, what did you do?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Factory?
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Wow.
Factory.
Down to 20.
Jesus, 1, 2.
Over 20 cards, 1 land. This is insane.
Throw away underground.
Okay. Holy shit.
Not bad?
Oh, I got something.
A lot of cards.
A lot of cards. A lot of cards. Yeah, I gotta get there. Take 4. I think on 16.
Yep.
Pass turn.
In a turn, I'll draw, well, I'm at 7 cards, so I'll draw up library. And in a turn, I'll draw once. You step. Draw for turn. Draw for turn. Attack.
Okay. 14.
Yep. I'm gonna.
Pretty rude. He's very rude.
I know. She's kind of like, where are you going?
Yeah.
Jesus. Disenchant the library line.
Okay.
Discard. Tundra. Underground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Strip mind.
Draw for turn.
Actually, no. Balance.
Okay.
And go ahead. I'll upkeep all library.
Okay. Black Vise.
Black Vise. I will counter that one.
Okay. Pass turn.
In return, I'll draw my cards in hand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ruby. 14, huh? So I'm gonna mind twist you for 6.
Okay. Armageddon, Regrowth, Void Fate, Dingus Egg, Dingus Egg.
What's up with the Dingus eggs?
Or the WinCon.
This
This is
explain that. You have to explain that later.
You got this. There's nothing. I don't think there's anything I can do.
Want to concede?
Yeah.
All right, we'll have to explain the Dingus egg thing here in a minute. But yeah, that game was kind of one of those games where Yeah, I mean, you got like no, but you have a lot of like small mana cards.
Yeah.
And then all you needed was like a mana.
It would have been. I had 2 Avoid Fates in my hand, and
Yeah.
I had no green mana.
To use the instant. Yeah.
Yeah. So it was brutal.
The Void Fates for instance, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Game 2 coming up. This is an interesting deck. It's called the JANK of Steven.